Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by diagnosing your connection before changing settings or reinstalling. Ping the league server IP and check latency under 100 ms using a command prompt. Test both wired Ethernet and Wi-Fi to compare stability, because wired usually beats wireless for packet loss. Run ipconfig/flushtons to clear any bad DNS entries and then attempt reconnecting right away. Note any error text or code shown in the client to guide targeted fixes later. Perform a set of quick local fixes that solve most reconnect problems. Restart the Riot client and restart Windows to clear transient software states and hung processes. Reset your network adapter by running ipconfig/release and then ipconfig/renew in an elevated command prompt. Temporarily disable third-party firewalls or allow UDP ports 5000-5500 plus TCP/80 and 443 to ensure the client can reach game services. Try reconnecting after each step to identify the specific fix that worked. If quick fixes fail, move to advanced network checks and log collection. Inspect your router NAT type and enable UPnP or configure a DMZ for your gaming PC to reduce blocked connections. Use the Hextech repair tool or reinstall the client to refresh corrupted game files and network settings. Gather logs like Riot Client UX. Log and a short network trace to attach when contacting Riot support. Provide timestamps, error codes, and your public IP to speed up their diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.